All right, PFGC on New York Stock Exchange. Performance Food Group's the name of the company. This really fits the profile of what we were talking about last week in one of our videos called "The Small Cap Opportunity is Upon Us," and this really is like the textbook case of what we're talking about. Starts with the stock chart, okay? And look, we are not technical analysts, but you can get a lot of information just by common sense and looking at the stock chart and saying, okay, well, you know, what are investors thinking, and what are we thinking? Is there an opportunity, right? Obvious. I think that's kind of simple analysis. But let's jump into that stock price and show you a little bit more what we mean. Okay, so here it was humming along. This is a year-to-date chart, so we don't have a lot of the previous trading, but it was a nice company, and the stock was kind of moving up in a normal fashion. We liked the company, and we thought it was even undervalued before the crash. Assuming there wasn't going to be a COVID problem, and then of course it bottomed out, and it really bottomed out. It hit $11, and it previously was trading at like $54. Okay. That is a massive crash, obviously. Now, in fairness, this company provides food delivery service to restaurants. Restaurants were like maybe the hardest hit industry, in the COVID issue. As you know, every restaurant was closed. So could not have been a worst case scenario than this. Now, it's bounced off that, looks like March 18th low, and it's bounced back to 31, which is almost a triple from the low. And you can be a pessimist or someone just say, "Oh, I missed it," and get all angry that I didn't buy it at 11. But that's just kind of ridiculous. It was a one or 2 day phenomena. It didn't stay there very long. And really, the really important thing is what's the value, not where the stock has been, anything like that. Is there value there, and is there some safety in the trading? Like people kind of recognize that this is actually okay now, and I think they are. Okay, so this profile, this stock pattern of crashed out, small rebound, well, significant rebound in this case, but not back to anywhere near its high, and it's a small cap company because that's what a lot of them look like. That's where the real opportunity is, okay? And this is definitely one of them. So now, of course, we have to look at the valuation and see if we can justify this. And here's our model. You see the company history, pretty good return on capital, a couple of little bumps in the road. Well, that was 2004. I'm not sure why 2004 was so poor. Looked like maybe an acquisition because of a high capital growth, and maybe it took some time to kind of put the two companies together and realize the synergies. A little bit of a really good period in 2012, and then I think normalized around the last 5 years, earning about a 12%. Okay, fine. That's the company. Let's assume for a moment they can get back to that 12. Well, our valuation says it's worth 55. It's trading at 53. So it's very much in line with what all it has to do is kind of get back to where it was, and it's worth 55. Now, to be honest with you, I think it could be worth more, because we're saying then it fades right back down to earning cost of capital. And no, I don't think so. I think this company, especially if you survive this kind of period, you can do maybe even better than before and more sustainable. I'm sure you're going to get stronger, right? What doesn't kill you makes you stronger, and that's what I'd put this company in, that category. As I said, fits our profile. It's a $3.2 billion market cap, so kind of a small cap, high quality company, get back to work type of scenario. I think this is the kind of scenario and kind of company you really want to look at. So we're quite bullish on Performance Food Group. Thanks for watching our investment video. If you want to improve your portfolio returns, simply subscribe. Or if you're an investment advisor or retail investor and you want help with your portfolio more directly, we can help you with a managed account and manage each and every trade for you.